Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, I am at the grand launch of Asus ZenFone 5Z here. So this is how the Asus ZenFone 5Z looks. All the specs are really high-end, they are flagship level specs, and at the same time it is totally an AI phone. In this video we'll check out the first look of the Asus ZenFone 5Z. It looks really nice and classy with this glass back, very premium finish, and this sundial kind of fingerprint sensor which gives these variations when different light falls on it. And the body is a aluminium metal body along with glass back. Looks quite sturdy and fits well in the hand. The first look of it is really nice, and the notch formation is very well defined. Edges are nicely curved. On the top we have this earpiece, the front camera and a soft LED flash, and here are some sensors, and the shortcut keys are inside the screens in the display. On the right hand side we have this power button and the volume rocker, very nice metallic tactile feedback. On the left side there is this SIM tray slot which has a dual SIM tray slot. So this is a hybrid SIM tray slot which can be expandable till 2 TB, and then there is this additional noise cancellation mic. On the bottom there is this 3.5mm audio jack, C-type charging port which supports fast charging as well as AI charging, and mouthpiece and the speaker grill. On the top there is this antenna setup with another noise cancellation mic. So in total there are 3 mics. In the back there is a dual camera setup in this linear position with a LED flash. So the dual camera setup is a 12 plus 8 megapixel with a fingerprint sensor and the Asus tagging. So if we read the about phone, it says model number, it runs on Android 8.0, CPU is 2.8 gigahertz. This particular variant which I am holding is a 6 GB variant. So there are 3 variants available. The variant which I have right now is a 6 GB memory and storage is 64 GB. So the other combinations which are available are 6 GB plus 128 GB and 8 GB plus 256 GB and expandable till 2 TB. Let's switch on to the camera part. So the back camera is dual camera setup, 12 plus 8 megapixels. So the 12 megapixel main camera is the IMX363 Sony flagship sensor. It has OIS as well as EIS and f1.8 large aperture. So here are the settings. This is HDR and this is the ratio, aspect ratio you can set. This is the depth effect, portrait mode, and this is the timer, and this is the flash, dual tone LED back flash. Also it has a 16 scenes plus subjects auto detected. So here you can see it's showing main landscape kind of a structure here right now. So when you are in a low light condition, it automatically switches to the night mode, and this is normal mode, this is wide angle. So can you just see the difference? Main and this is wide. So the area differs. And then there is my favorite, the Pro mode, in which you can make a lot of customizations and in the autofocus, ISO, white balance and all. So we can easily switch from Pro to Auto. And then there is the front camera. This is the 8 megapixel front camera, and so it is capturing a lot of good details. You can see these are settings, HDR, ratio, aspect ratio, and this is the favorite, portrait mode. And this is the screen flash. So these are some of the pictures I just clicked with the phone, and so you can see how the depth effect is working very nicely. Just blurring out all the effects. So some places it is missing out on details, but overall it is giving a good result. These are the selfies. 8 megapixel selfies are really nice and sharp. Details captured are good. So this was the first look of the Asus ZenFone 5Z. It will be available in Flipkart. It has been launched with great launch offers. You should surely check out the launch offers. This is it for this video. I'll be back soon with another tech video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.